okay.
That's okay. Good morning. Welcome to Bethel Ridge Forge. We're working on some full-tang knives this week. So today we're cutting scales. Let me show you how to do it on a miter box the safe way. The first thing that I do is I cut a section of 2x6 that I can glue the block to. Let me cut the end of this off. I'll square the end and come back about the distance of the block. Cut that section of block off with the 2x6. Bring it around 90 degrees so you can shave this edge and get this edge square. Now I have a 2x6 block that's 90 on this corner and smooth on this side. Now I just use a good quality wood glue. I use Elmer's here. Square the block to be cut on two sides. Take and apply your glue to one surface. Rub it up against the block. Make sure you're flat on the bottom where it's going to sit, like yay, and then clamp that block. Okay. Here's one I clamped yesterday. Let it set overnight. You want the glue to dry well and set up well. Then the next day you can cut the blocks. So this is bird's eye maple. That I'm cutting stabilized bird's eye maple, and one of the reasons I like to use the miter saw is the end result is a perfectly smooth scale. You don't have to do a lot of sanding, a little bit on a 220 flat surface, and you're ready to glue up. So let's go ahead and cut one. Normally I'd put a stop on here to do this with, but in this case, we're going to cut a single block, so a single scale for demonstrations. I'm using an 82 carbide on this. All carbide blades they have zero set. The edges are the same on both sides of the blade, so they will make a really clean cut. Here are these cuts here, and there's very little that you have to do to get them ready to go. And these are fairly thin scales. They come off very smooth. So again, if there's a safe way and a not so safe way to work in the shop on anything. So as far as cutting scales on a miter saw, there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. So by using this technique, gluing to this block, it gives you a place to hold where your hand is out of the way, and you can still cut perfectly smooth scales. So I've got a few more of these to cut to get ready to glue up on these full-tang knives I'm doing. Hope this was of interest to you, and you people all have a great day. Thank you.